Hello. This is some footage taken the morning after, Friday morning, after Hurricane Iselle. This is our road. This is what it usually looks like. And then the footage hereafter is of the fallen trees and of nature taking her course after the hurricane, from the hurricane. And it's just me and a friend walking our road on Big Island Puna, walking through the trees, around the trees, through the branches, through the trunks, just to get from one part of the road to the other. And from here on, I'm going to let the footage be silent and speak for itself. But this was us, the day after the hurricane.